guys, welcome to Coffee Chat with Mrs. Cox, and today is Mindset Monday. And you know, on Mindset Monday we get to train your brain, and we are training your brain this week because we're starting a new unit in science called cells, plant and animal cells. But with a new unit comes new vocabulary. And we have to talk about how do you study new vocabulary. What do I need? I know I need my
backpack!
Backpack. On the backpack loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got inside for you.
Inside my backpack is anything that I need. And right here to study vocabulary, I have my supplies. And hopefully you'll be getting your supplies together this week also to study cells vocabulary. I am a flashcard girl. Now you're probably wondering, what do I mean by a flashcard girl? I use my flashcards to write the terms on one card and then the definition of that term on another card. And I keep them on two separate cards. So one card would have the vocabulary word, one card would have the definition. And then I can practice those throughout the week. But you know what's really important? When I'm writing the word on the card, I really think about the spelling and I check to make sure I have the correct spelling. And then when I write the definition on the card, then I check to make sure I reread it out loud. I'm working with my short-term memory, my muscle memory, by writing and then saying it out loud helps it sink into my short-term memory. Then I take a paper clip and I clip them together. So I remember which term goes with which definition. And I also write on the back of the definition the word. So when I'm studying, I can quickly check that. But I do that in pencil so I can erase it later on when I'm ready for a game. So those are a couple hints that I have about using flashcards to help me study and memorize my vocabulary words. When I'm done, all my new terms are added into my Ziploc bag, and that's where I keep them throughout the unit. And each day, as I learn new words and definitions, I add them to my Ziploc bag. I wonder what else is in my backpack. There's something else there. Yes, indeedy, I am talking about the map in my backpack. And it is a map of my neighborhood. We are going on a scavenger hunt. We're going to find some contestants for Mindset Monday, and we are going to ask them, how do you study new vocabulary? Stay tuned. Whoop, whoop. Vamonos! Here we are out in the neighborhood looking for some examples of how do we study new vocabulary. And here comes a cyclist. Let's find out. Excuse me.
Yes.
Yep. Oh, I have a question for you. Let's go ask him. Okay, here we are. How do you study new vocabulary words?
I use flashcards.
You use flashcards.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your social distancing bike ride. Whoop, whoop. And she trains her brain by using muscle memory with flashcards. Let's ask somebody else how they study new vocabulary words. Let's see how they train their brain. Come with me. Vamonos. Let's ask this person. Come with me. Excuse me. How do you study new vocabulary words?
I I let somebody else quiz me.
I usually rewrite each word and definition 5 times.
What a way to train your brain! Whoop whoop! Do you know who's behind this door? I don't, but let's ask this person, how do you study new vocabulary? Come with me, Vámonos! We are social distancing now. How do you study new vocabulary?
I use Quizlet, flashcards, and games.
She has helped us train our brain. Whoop whoop. On this Mindset Monday, we have been on an adventure. So far, we have learned there are a lot of different ways to practice new vocabulary words. You could create flashcards, you could write down the words and definitions, you could play a game with your words and definitions, or you could have someone quiz you. There's one more example. Vámonos! Let's go find it.
Come on, Dora. All right. Let's go. Dora the Explorer. Dora. Boots and super cool explorer.
Woo! We are almost done with our adventure today. Our map says we have one more example. Hello, excuse me, sir. I have a question. How do you study new vocabulary?
Oh, well, I use a whiteboard, write down the vocab and make sure to get it done, and just learn it.
This young gentleman today has helped us train our brain. Whoop whoop.
All right. Let's go. Dora the Explorer. Dora. Boots and super cool explorer.
Well, that's all the time we have today on Mindset Monday, where we trained your brain on different tools you can use this unit on cells and learning the vocabulary. Whoop whoop.
All right.
My backpack. There's something else there. The map.
Okay.
I feel like my bangs are messed up.
No, they're not.
Okay.
Okay, that's going on. Okay.
Are we going to do it louder?
It's as loud as it goes.
Is it?
Yeah.
How about on the YouTube too?
I am on the
You know,
YouTube.
click the microphone there.
Yeah, it's all the way up.
Okay, I'm free. Yes, indeedy, I'm talking about the map.
Okay, I'll get closer like this.
Okay. Your finger's in the camera.
No, it's not.
Stop it, it's freezing.
Okay, go.
We could have someone quiz us, but then... Well, that's all the time we have for Mindset Monday, where we trained your brain on different tools. What? My backpack.
Yeah, the other way.
Oh, wait, no, that's right. I'll turn on when I go talk.
Okay.
Well, that...